Good morning, students. Today we perform the first experiment of herbal drug technology of B Pharm third year. The object of the experiment is to determine the alcohol content of aswa. Aswas are the herbal preparations or herbal formulations which are prepared by fresh juices by the fermentation process. It contains many ingredients like jaggery and different types of herbal ingredients involved in it. Today we determine how we calculate the alcohol content present in the aswa. Now the requirements for alcohol content, we take the marketed sample of the Angura aswa, that is aswa containing preparation, and we take measuring cylinder, beaker, anti-bumping beads which we put on in the round bottom flask, a specific gravity bottle and water, and we also assemble the distillation unit which contains heating mantle, round bottom flask, condenser and receiver. We also cover the receiver with the help of aluminum foil so that there should no evaporation of the alcohol. So let's start the procedure. First we take 25 ml of the marketed sample of aswa. We put it in the round bottom flask. Now we take 25 ml distilled water. And we also pour it in the RB flask. We add some anti-bumping beads in the RB flask to avoid the explosion, and now assemble the distillation unit. Now you can see the distillation process is start. The water vapors and the ingredient will come in contact with the condenser, and the distillate will collected in the receiver. Calculation part. First we take the weight of empty specific gravity bottle and note the calculation, that is the weight of bottle. Next we take the distilled water, that is 25 ml. And we take the weight of 25 ml distilled water and note it. Now we take the distillate and measure its volume. It is about 22 ml. And we take the weight of the distillate. and we note the weight of the distillate about 46.35 gram. Now we take all the calculation in the formula and calculate the specific gravity of the alcohol. Now we start the calculation. For the calculation purpose, we follow the prescribed formula, in which first we mention the weight of empty specific gravity bottle, that is W1, and it comes out 22.83 gram. Next we take the weight of a specific gravity bottle plus distilled water, which is W2, and we mention it 49.56 gram. Next we calculate from the above the weight of water, which is W2 minus W1, and it will be found that 26.73 gram. Next we follow the same procedure and calculate the weight of distillate. First we take the weight of empty specific bottle, the specific gravity bottle, and we add in it the distillate, and we calculate the weight of distillate and specific gravity bottle, that is W3, and it will be 46.35 gram. From this we calculate the weight of distillate, that is W3, which is weight of a specific gravity bottle and distillate, and minus W1, that is weight of specific gravity, empty specific gravity bottle, and it comes out 23.52 gram. Now we put the calculation in the formula and calculate the apparent specific gravity of the alcohol content, which is present in the prescribed marketed Ayurvedic formulation. So for this purpose we take the formula in which we put the weight of distillate upon weight of water, and from the calculation we can see the weight of distillate comes out 23.52 gram, and the weight of water is 26.73. From this we calculate the apparent specific gravity of the alcohol content, which comes out 0.879. And further, by referring the AOAC chart, which is prescribed at temperature 25 degrees centigrade, we can determine the alcohol content which was present in our prescribed formulation of ASWA. So thanks for watching the video.